Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this video I am sharing some quotes about respect and self-respect. Friends, respect yourself enough to know you deserve the very best. Don't lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self-respect is everything. Respect is not given, it's earned. The best way to gain self respect is to prove to yourself that you are worthy of it. If you want respect, you have to learn to give it too. When you love someone, you respect him or her for the person that they are, not the person that you want them to be. You can only love someone fully if you respect him or her. Without respect, love is not even in question. Self-respect is about caring, but not carrying others' suggestions. Being curious to learn from them, but staying aligned with your personal values. Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. Self-respect is the fruit of discipline. The sense of dignity grows with the ability to say no to oneself. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. If there is no respect in a relationship, love becomes a burden there. Self-respect is always your first priority than any relation. Don't let someone get comfortable with disrespecting you. Boundaries are a sign of self-respect. They are the physical, emotional, and mental limits we set to protect ourselves from being manipulated, used, or violated by others. Sometimes it's not ego, it's self-respect. Sometimes you have to leave, not for your ego, but for your self-respect. Respect is one of the greatest expressions of love. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. I don't respect those who don't respect me. You call it ego, and I call it self-respect. Respect is the element that keeps debates clean. It makes us take the high road. It has us think about ourselves and how we would like to be treated, and thus treat others. You can't force someone to respect you, but you can refuse to be disrespected. And viewers, remember to distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, and put you down. So friends, I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.